it's up to you. Is this your first win?
First heat here.
Okay, well, you won a feature already?
I won a B main last year.
Okay. You can stay in. It's up to you, bud.
I'll help out.
It's your winner circle.
You remember that 81 car last year?
Yeah.
From Rob Ream?
Yep.
It's me.
Oh, okay, that's you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now I recognize you. You look a little older, that's all.
Yeah.
You look like you're a little taller, too, aren't you?
Might be the car. Yeah, you lapped, what, three people?
The first couple laps.
By the time the race is over, you were about 2/3 of a lap ahead of everybody.
That's where the seats were. We got the front seat every year. I was both races. I went like about 8 years in a row, both races.
My dad gets tickets every year.
That's a good spot.
We get front row on the front stretch.
Put a half a lap on the field. I did just what Kenny Montgomery asked me to do in his dirt song.
Yes.
Hey, so since we already bought pit passes, could we just go to Crystal?
You're not gonna wave because you know I usually wreck people for that. Your left rear is exposed.
We weren't allowed to race today, so now we have to race somehow.
Just race everything and everyone.
Hey,
Hey, we won.
Yeah. We count it as a dub.
I can still change my cover photo. Bye. Bye, everybody. Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.